HAPI protocol versus dollar on every time frame you need, short, medium, long term. We'll look at the charts using absolutely nothing, just a price action, because after all, it's the only thing that counts. Daily chart, HAPI, dollar. In the short term, this altcoin is looking pretty nice. Now, as we go further and further, you will see that short term and long term is not exactly the same, but bear with me now. The only thing I want you to notice is that we here in November established a higher low higher than this one. So this is some kind of a shift in momentum. HAPI is moving to the upside in the short term. The question is, what's next? After this great peak in November of $20, we had a rough pullback, but still we're not breaking the structure. At this moment we are having this lower high, and in today's candle we are betting that lower high. So if HAPI is looking pretty nice in the short term, that means that we could be breaking this one, attacking the previous one. Anyway, creating the squeezing formation, something like this, before making new highs. Now, the absolute crucial stuff on this chart regarding the structure is this. Last month, 1 month ago, we established that low above $7. HAPI is not allowed to break that level and go below $7, and then and only then we will break the structure. For now we are playing the game inside of the structure, and more upside is possible as long as that is the case. Even on the micro scale, let's say it like that, here we established a higher low, here we established another higher low at $10 and are climbing slowly to the upside. So in the short term things are looking pretty good. Now when we zoom out on HAPI on the weekly chart, in the grand scheme we are not breaking the downward spiral. And I'm talking about the high of $120, because this high of $20 is way below that. So this is still lower high, which is the definition of a downtrend. But pay attention, let's disregard all of this and go a little deeper into the micro segments. In the middle of this year, we established that low of $5. The next high in August came at $12. And here the important thing happened. At around $6, we established a higher low than this one. And this is to some extent giving us fuel to the more upside. Yes, in the micro segment something good could be happening. One more time I'm stating with HAPI protocol. Because low, high, higher low, especially higher high in correlation to this one. Now if you really go that deep and call this one more low, then we have another higher low. The next high is currently in the making. We will see how this will end, but if you want to zoom in that weekly chart into this segment, we are having some considerable, let's say, progressions to the upside. For now, I would draw that arrow to the upside for HAPI1, because there might be some more game into this coin in the coming weeks. And now, let me smack your face. No, I didn't want to be rude. This is just the big picture monthly chart. And it's not giving us that much hope as the previous two ones. Let me explain. Yes, on this chart we must talk about $120 because this is the monthly chart. We are talking years ahead for this protocol if you believe that it will sustain itself. And on this chart there is no micro fractals, it's just lower high of $20. So with all that we just said on those two charts, you gotta embrace the fact that on the really big chart nothing significant is happening. HAPI needs to take more push to the upside for changing this direction, because this is still, in my book at least, a downtrend. Low, high, lower low, lower high. We can't talk about solid candles and change of the direction. We need more stuff. Because let me give you something to think about. Yes, in the medium term to very short term, HAPI is changing direction. But is this fractal looking something like this one? Could be. And if that is the case, you'd know it's not good news, because after that fractal happened this. What's my opinion? Well, I think it's too early for the bull market, but also those micro changes in the direction on the daily, even weekly, are showing me the signs of potential sideways price action moving. So maybe that big and ugly downtrend is over. Maybe a little more to the downside is a possibility. But maybe now we need to dumb you down your emotions by moving sideways for a few months and then enter the new bull phase. Let me know your thoughts and follow me into the next one.